The sunset looks like this from my grandpa's farm, and my HR wants me to connect with her on LinkedIn. And right now I'm standing here in front of the sunset. The sun is looking pretty much hotter. This one is the actual good evening. It's not that corporate good evening, sir or ma'am. And right now I'm about to sprint on this lane. I'm gonna sprint here, and behind me you can see all this greenery, and there is the sunset. And now let's start sprinting. And first thing is the warm up. And before warm up, I would like to show you the condition of my body. You know, the thing I'm holding here is pretty much tight. I have tightened this abdominal section. I've tightened the lats basically, but the actual condition of the body is this one. This is the most natural body you can attain, and this is for the camera. I know these are not properly six packs. I have a couple of fat here. The skin is not paper thin like this one. This is due to the diarrhea. You know, when I had diarrhea, I had to follow a couple of medications, and during that time I gained a weird amount of fat. You know, it made my skin more thick comparatively before the diarrhea, and the diarrhea have taken around 25 days to get properly treated, and I'm still struggling with the infection in the inner layer of my large intestine, and the food is not getting properly digested. And also I became a lactose intolerant guy for around 15 days after the diarrhea medications. Every time I pose like this, I remember Mike Manzer. I remember in my teenage when I used to get sick, I was healing within like 3 to 4 days max to max, and within like 7 to 8 days I was ready with the same amount of strength. And now let's do a couple of lower body warm up so that I can sprint. I'm running. Cameraman. The cameraman is on steroids. I did a small mistake. Oh यार तू ऐसा बना रोटेट कर ला जल्दी जल्दी. I did a small mistake. Every time I come here for the sprint, I used to do 2 or 3 quality checks of the way. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਰੋੜੀਆਂ ਪਈਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਇਹ ਹਰਡਲਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਸਪ੍ਰਿੰਟ ਨੂੰ ਸਮੂਥ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ 2-3 ਵਾਰ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਦਾ ਬਟ ਅੱਜ ਐਕਸਾਈਟਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਚੱਕਰ 'ਚ ਮੈਂ ਕਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਇਆ look at the greenery, look at the sun, look at the skies, look at the clouds around me, and the overall Punjab's environment. The guys was joking about my lower. They were saying like it's loose, this or that. Let me show you one thing. This is the real Aster. I use this one, not this elastics. You know, the elastics basically compromises the blood flow if it's too tight. I know the body adapts I know the body can adapt with a matter of time, but still I want to be as much as natural as I can. Let me show you my traps. Let me relax and check for the road. If it's clean, I will perform another sprint. चप्पल कर दे कैमरामैन क्वालिटी बुधवार चप्पल दी वाई करके शुक्र है ईश्वर दी कृपा कैमरामैन इनेबल्ड the noise cancellation. This is actual good evening. I'm not sprinting, I'm just warming up to the whole thing. Right now here I will just relax. After getting my breath normal, I will do a proper sprint. And right now look at the whole environment, the most beautiful thing of Punjab, all these farms, this greenery, and all these trees, all these clouds, all these sunsets. One more thing I would like to say, lower on the camera. The normal position of this lower is here, but I have placed it here so that my undergarment can tie up my arsenal, you know, but the lower is tied up here so that I can hide my undergarments, because today I'm not wearing the langot. I know this looks very much cringy and cartoonish, but at the end it's a matter of health, it's a matter of choice, and overall being a good human. Look at this green, these are peas. You know what peas are? You know your girlfriend in Toronto, she eats pea protein, she eats plant-based protein. The peas are produced here, and then these are processed, and then they extract the plant-based protein with the main ingredients of these peas. The breath is ready now. Let's do another sprint test. The cameraman needs duty.
मैं नहीं कर स्पीड
Yeah, we banjo. Pehla cameraman nu diet deni pani hai. The cameraman must be on AM, the AMP. I have done a couple of sprints here and currently doing some long run on a very much normal pace. And once again, this is a actual good evening, not that fancy corporate greeting. Hey sir, good evening. Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. Please approve my leave. All the, let's leave the corporate thing on some other leg. Look at the sun. Did a couple of sprints and a few miles of just a normal running and feeling a bit tighter. After having diarrhea, this is my first sprinting session, my first running session, and the energy levels are getting restored. But I don't know why the inflammation in the large intestine is taking too much time to get treated. I don't want to take any other kind of antibiotic medicines because I think they ruined my health, man. I was supposed to take a medicine just for 3 or 5 days, but I was given with multiple types of medicines for more than 2 weeks and a couple of liver health syrup. Let's see how the thing goes. Fully exhausted. The sun is dipped in the lap of the moon and the environment here is pretty much romantic. Look at this agricultural tool. After extracting peas, after the pea farming, they will plow this land for the plantation of the next crop. That holy guy is there, he got slapped by his tuition teacher. I don't know why I'm recording myself in this way, but anyways, the life is pretty much good. The whole sprint was very much nice. This was the filmic sentiment. Once the sun gets more lower, I will start doing the thing called Radka, as I mentioned earlier. And there is a tall farmer here, the typical 6'8" guy, the tallest one in my village. This is the actual good evening, not that corporate wishes. Oh. Wait.
तू तो आ ही नहीं रहा जितना ना ना
I need a